energy? And are you really very stressed with the news lately? If so, then come practice some Bone Marrow Washing Qigong with me. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and medical Qigong teacher here in Silicon Valley. Let's get started. Today is day 22 of the Bone Marrow Washing 31-day challenge in January. So let's pat down. Because when you're really very stressed, sometimes all you can do is to just simply pat. And let yourself relax. With every pat, every exhalation, every out breath, let the cares of your day slip away. Okay. And let's do a little 12 Treasures Qigong first. Today this is the birthday candles. Standing, sitting, let your low back ease out the kinks, ease out the tension, ease out your soreness, whatever is your stress today, whatever is your low energy issue. Just allow for your body to move slower, allow for your breath release, and inhale, exhale, inhale, and then let's do it the opposite direction, the other direction for birthday candles. That's kind of like the butterfly stroke. Good. And let's play with the chi ball a little bit. Play with the ball in general, to let yourself shift the weight, to walk in place. Good. Thinking of the right side as the main focus, and then you can shift over to the left side to kind of get any bodily tension out of the way first, and then going forward. I'm still thinking of the right side here, and then the left side. Let's shake a little bit, and shake down. So shaking, circular movements in 3-dimension, patting will help to relax the body. Nice. Okay, so bone marrow washing, day 22. We're going to be focusing more and re-practicing the new one from yesterday, which was the turn and pull at the ear. So we're going to do number 1, the prayer. We've been doing this for almost 3 weeks now. So number 1, prayer. We're going to skip to actually 5, 6, and add 7. Okay? So starting with the preparation, 4, and the other side, and rotations, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's do the sword finger around our feet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The right side again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rotate at the knees, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the left side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's shift the weight left and right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big rotations with bigger breaths. Let yourself, your quad, glute, hamstring support you, and maybe a bit lengthening in the trunk every time you lift up and breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shift your weight. 8, 9. Crisscross lifts. 1, 2. Actually, frontal lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And crisscross lifts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then feel again the column of light. 2, 3, 4. And then you can grasp at the fingers and mid finger touching for the specific mudra. You want to feel the lengthening a bit more, and you reach and stretch out comfortably. Any direction you'd like. Yeah, good. And then you can do the grinding tofu, circular movement. Just relax the joints and inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's do the prayer for the internal rotations of the fingers. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5. Relax. The third eye. Relax. The nose tip. Third eye. Chin. Third eye. Relax the mid finger. Third eye. Chest. Third eye. Kidneys. And feel and imagine the flames behind you and all the colors with the blue, very deep, very blue, very hot. Down to the ground, feet, and you release the palms, so the imaginary, the energy goes down, imaginary with the earth core. Gently inhale, it comes back up, and then you see and feel the purple mist arising, covering the feet. The ankles, shin, calf, up to the knees, up to the quad, glute, hamstrings, and then the waist. Feel the torso expand and lift up to the sky. And think of the mid finger, so you're reaching opposite sides of your space, and the frontal line, the nose touch the front of your room, and the back of the body touch the back of your space. And for number 3, that was spreading arms. Number 2, looking stairway to heaven. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Not your time, go on back. Shen Wei, Qi Wei for double Qi Xiao. Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Good. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. 人在其中，气在人中。人在其中，气在人中。Relax. Okay. So then we're gonna skip the rest, number 4, and have the heavy chin guiding us down. So we're going to do number 5, side view, a little different view today for your practice. And if you've forgotten, you can look back at the previous videos or follow along with me. Do gently if this is your first time, you haven't done it the rest of the weeks, but those of you who have, and be as smooth and as comfortable as you can. So sweep through for pulling the oxen tail. It's a lunge, yeah, and you want to rotate the hip in the direction you're wanting to go. So it's about shoulder width apart, yeah, aligned. gripping. And I'm going to imagine magnetizing the front, back legs together, and that there's the 9 oxen behind me. The whole right body is firm, not tight but firm, and shoulders are also actually relaxed. Soft fist in front, firm fist in back. And imagine the 9 oxen behind us, and let it firm up, firm all up, and then inhale, and let's go. Okay, your efforting is in the hip joint. The big joint is the one doing it with magnetized feet. 2, 3, nice. Breathe, remember, breathe. And then inhale, the 9 oxen are in front now. And I firmed up the front fist, loose fist in the back as the chi pours through me. Feel the warmth dripped to the back hand. And my 9 oxen behind me again. 2, 3, good. Breathe. Coming up, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, breathe. 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Come back up to the midline. We're going to do the forward circle now. And I open my eyes, and the chi will from the brain to the palm and to the lower dantian and up the stairs of the spine, and I'll lead you through the meditation, okay? 1, 2, 3. Open. Energy from the eyes to the palm. Palm drops down to the area just below the navel, going up the stairs of the spine, out the brain to the palm, out the eyes to the palm, down again to and the third circulation. And after that, bring your attention just below the belly button, split into the legs, front, back, and past the calf, glute, hamstring, past the knee, shin and calf, front and back, ankle, feet, let it melt down to the earth's core, and you feel the warmth return back at the roots, past the feet, squeeze the toes a little bit, front and back, so a little bit more, you're absorbing into the legs, to the bodies, to the low dantian and the low back. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, so again, readjust, hippy hop a little bit, and imagine magnetize the feet together. And therefore you would squeeze the glutes, squeeze the perineum a little bit, and let's go. Firm fist behind for the 9 oxen. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Come on back. Smooth breaths. 2, 3, good. And then again, go on forward. 1, 2, 3, breathe. And 1 back, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe. Last time. 1, 2, 3, breathe. One more time. 1, 2, 3, breathe. And on the count of 3, we're going to have the 4 microcosmic orbit. 1, 2, 3. Open the eyes, chi to the palm, palm to the lower dantian, below the belly button. Go up the stairs of the spine to the brain. Repeat the cycle. 2 more times. 2, 3, and then have the chi settle in the area just below the belly button. Split into the legs, front and back. Quad, glute, hamstrings, knees and calf, front and back. Ankle, feet, front and back. Down past the legs, out imaginary roots, the earth's core. Gently inhale. Squeeze. Feel the energy come back up the roots to the legs to the kidneys. Okay, and then so for purposes of the video, we're just doing it 1 time. You can do 2 more times or up to 7. Go back and look at previous video. Double chi shao shen wei, chi wei, shen wei, chi wei. I'm inside the chi. Chi is inside of me. I'm inside the chi. Chi is inside of me. And remember, let your back be flattened when you do the dried onions. 1, Hinge at the hip. Okay, allow it to flat your back as much as you can. Inhale. Okay, skipping number 6, actually. And we're going to do number 7, which was the new one from yesterday. Hand in the back, but at least a half hand or one hand higher. So eventually, one day you can get to do pretty high, but for now, just half hand, minimal. And then turning side lifts, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Energetically connect the hand above through the body to the hand below behind. Reach over to the ear. Reach and pull the ear. Okay. Target is inside of the opposite ankle. You don't have to look there. I'm just looking about a little bit ahead of me rather than all the way. Okay. And just gentle, gentle. Okay. Eventually you're going to be able to turn and look, but right now just do it comfortably. A little bit stretch on the side left body and breathe. 1, 2, 3. Turn up. Look about 2 o'clock. Lean back with the head, push forward with the left elbow. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Connect the 2 palms through you. Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Hold it at the feet. Release it into the earth. And let's do the right side. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Connect through the crown to the hand and back. And reach over. Pull up the apex of your ear. Looking a little bit far, not too far for today. The eventual goal, look at the inner right ankle. 1, 2, 3. Looking up. Push back with the head. Push forward with the right elbow and breathe. About looking 10 o'clock. 2, 3. And connect the 2. Shen Wei, Qi Wei. Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Relax. Okay. At home you can do 2, 3 more times, or up to 7 times. Double Qi shower. Shen Wei, Qi Wei. Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. The Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Hold it at the feet. Release it. And then go back to returning to number 12. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Number 12 is the same as number 1, actually. So we've already done it. Shen Wei, Qi. Relax the third eye nose tip, third eye chin, third eye mid fingertip, third eye chest, third eye kidneys. Go back, see the flames and all the colors and feel the warmth. And last double Qi shower. Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside of the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Okay. Okie dokie. If you like that, please like, subscribe, comment, BMWQG, and save it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Love to all the world. Bye, guys.